Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is August the 1st, 2022. We're going to talk about STEPN today, trying to see if this particular market is going to explode soon, because if it is, then we definitely want to make sure that we are on the right side of the trade to make sure that we are able to profit from the move. Welcome, everyone. This is HFN, also known as Jiffy News. I create price predictions. I try to come through and give you all a simplistic way of predicting where prices are going to go, and also try to get in position so that we can capitalize from the price moves. That way, we can be more consistently profitable than we are with the losers. Because if you leave it to other people, they try to make it seem as if this is a difficult job to do. They try to make it seeming as if the market is impossible to win. They try to tell you that it's manipulated. They try to tell you that it's so hard to figure out where prices are going to go. Well, I'm here to show you all that that's not the case. You all can do this for yourself. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because I definitely want to make sure that you, each and every one of you, stay in tune with what I am seeing on the price chart. All right. So let's go ahead and get started first. We're going to go ahead and look at the daily chart real quick into the market for STEPN. You guys can see, let me zoom on the chart real quick, that the overall market right here from July the 18th, because I got a price prediction already on the chart. And my expectation was to see the price in STEPN go down. And right here, you guys can see that this is when the price prediction was created, June 29, 2022. The market did go down, right? But it only came through and held support right here around 80 cents. You look at all these daily price bars to which the price in STEPN did not fall below. This represents that this is where the buyers are. This means that the buyers came in and supported STEPN's price right here around 80 cents. All right, so were you able to grab that profitability into the market and STEPN right there? Because if so, you did a fantastic job. Actually, you guys could have gotten about 7.5% out the market. Like that was the only thing that the market was willing to give us, was 7.5%. If you was able to do that, congratulations. If not, if you were to get out the market now in STEPN, we will be down about 11.5%. But if we're looking for the market in STEPN to explode, then we might need to get rid of this price prediction right now and take the other side of the trade. But one thing I wanted to talk about is the fact that right here on July the 18th, I want us to see how wide this spread bar is. Can you guys see how wide that spread bar is? That is representative of people trying to move the market up, right? And the expectation would be for us to continue to see price go up. But on this next day, the market here on July the 19th, it didn't go up. Price still got rejected right here at this level that I identified, right here at $1.12 or $1.11. This area still confirms right here that the market here in STEPN is still weak. Like, this is where the sellers are still positioned right there. So far, we haven't concluded that the market is overly bullish yet. And given what we've seen here on these particular days right here, I would say from July the 29th, the 30th, even on the 31st, it still tells us that the sellers are positioned up there around $1, $1.10, $1.11. So we still need to be on guard to see if STEPN is going to even explode, because right now, look at all of these opportunities that the market in STEPN had to try to break above $1.11, and it didn't even do it. So I'm not necessarily all inclusive to think that the price in STEPN is going to explode higher until we see the market break $1.11. All right. So let's go ahead and look at the market in STEPN on a different time frame real quick. Let's go ahead and look at this on the 2-day chart. You guys can see as I zoom in a little bit closer that I'm still not convinced that the market here in STEPN is bullish, that is trying to move up. You guys can see right here in this last completed 2-day price bar consecutive. Look at this one, the one from July the 28th, 2022, even the one that started on July the 30th, we're still seeing weakness. So our expectations of us seeing the price in STEPN go down is still applicable. Like, the market is still exhibiting that the market is still weak. So I think what we're going to do is that we're just going to extend our expectations out into the market in STEPN. The market still looks weak. Now let's see what we got on the 3-day chart though. So look at this from a 3-day chart perspective. You all can see as I zoom in, that all of these 3-day price bars, it has given us the fact that the market is extremely weak. The sellers are still massively positioned there. Like, they got a stronghold position right here in stepping. So I don't want us to be led astray. I don't want us to be confused. I don't want us to think that the market is actually going to explode until we see the price break above that. And what we're seeing so far into the market in stepping is still that the market is still weak here. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at this on the monthly chart since we are starting out on a brand new month. Let's go ahead and look at this from a monthly perspective, and you guys can see that generally not too much occurred during the month of July. Not a lot. Market had a very small spread. The volume is light. So maybe, possibly, as we trade throughout the month of August, we could see the market in stepping actually break above $1.11, right? But currently, as of right now, I still suspect that the market downtrend is still in place. I don't think it's massively weak though. The market action here in stepping is not massively weak. Let's go ahead and look at this on a longer term hourly perspective. Okay, now there's still some sellers coming into the market in stepping, so I think we got a little bit lower to go. If we were to come back down to 80 cents, maybe even 85 cents, we might need to go ahead and take the profitability off completely and just move on to the market going up in stepping. Okay, we definitely may need to do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take this price prediction off right here, getting that 8%, that 7.5% market move in stepping. Hold on, let me see something real quick. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to extend out my price prediction into the market and stepping all the way towards the ending of August, to allow this market opportunity to continue to trend lower. I think we got a little bit lower to go. I want everyone to see how this market in stepping is keeping in line with this trend line. Okay, so if we see the market in stepping come down to this overall trend line and we bounce, then we know we need to go ahead and exit out this position of looking at stepping going down. Just keep your eyes open on that. So I'm gonna continue to keep that line there. And I'm gonna get rid of this horizontal line down here at the bottom of 55 cents because I want everyone to focus in on this overall trend that this market currently is going through in stepping. Okay, so right now I'm going to continue to go forward with my price prediction, but I would definitely go ahead and exit out the market here on this ascending line in stepping, only under the auspice that we see buyers come in and support that price there. If we get a bounce on this ascending line, then that will confirm to us that the market overall is going to try to move up and break $1.11. All right, so that is it. I didn't change anything else outside of that. I'm going to continue to look forward to some weakness come through, but my intention is going to be right there on that ascending line. Okay, so now it's your turn to go ahead and give me your thoughts. Do you think stepping is going to explode? Do you think the market is going to continue to trend higher, or do you think we're going to get rejected right here at this $1.11 price that I identified? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.